Thank you very much.
No problem.
So yung Barnett, ito, 476,990, and it's this one. Now, an investor too, you want to buy the smallest house on the properties that has big lots with nice upgrades. I mean, with the biggest houses.
Yeah.
Because then the values kind of interjects even if you have the smallest house.
Kasi malaki yung lot.
Kasi yung mga neighbors niya, usually if they have bigger houses, they put in like really nice upgrades sa harap ng bahay.
I see. Okay, ikaw na mag-video. Okay.
Sure. So, ito yung
yung video.
Ito yung price niya, di ba? 476,990. 2,046 square foot, 3 beds, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. What you see here in the model, it's priced for model. So, flooring, number 1. This is what we call a wet area. This is going to be tiles. The rest is going to be carpet. It's going to be tiles in the kitchen, and it's going to be tiles in the laundry and the bathroom. The rest are carpet. This is going to be pony wall. This is an upgrade. Something like that would cost you about between $1,500 to $3,000.
Which one?
That rail.
The rail?
Yeah. Standard is pony wall.
Oh, wow.
Standard is
So
pony wall.
this doesn't come with the ano?
No, it does not. So typically, that's why the price. If it's $473, you're going to be about $510,000 total.
So you guys should pretty much show it off like the best
They show
version.
it. Now there are models that they show kind of the standard, but not all builders do that. Okay, so this is the laundry. That's a $500 upgrade.
Oh, see, it's different. Baliktad naman sa ano. Like, for the most part, like, okay, this is the model homes. This is it. This is what you get. You want to upgrade.
Oh, some. Like, say, D.R. Horton and LGI. If yung nakita nyo sa model home, yun na din yung makukuha nyo. But for American West or Pulte, and most other builders,
So, but this one, so I'm gonna say, in the video it's like 400s.
Yes.
High 400s.
High 400s.
Yeah, just say high 400s.
Yeah, and this is an area that's pretty high in appreciation.
Oh, really?
I would guess this is their.
So if this is like, let's say 500 right now.
Yeah.
How much appreciation you think over?
Year over year, it's been consistent. So if this was bought in 2019 for 500,000, it would be about 750,000 now. Yeah. So now they're yeah. So I would say 10%ish if we go by 10%. History. Yeah, per year.
And this is a great neighborhood.
Oh yeah, and there's a lot of new shopping areas that's popping out over here that was approved. New schools also. And the proximity of this area to the strip, it's not that far from the strip. It's also not that not that close, also not that far. Like we're 10 minutes away from the welcome sign. Welcome to Las Vegas. 10 minutes away from the freeways.
So about 15 minutes from the strip?
Yeah. Yeah. Now there's a lot of traffic over there right now with the F1. But also we're closer to the Allegiant Stadium.
Oh yeah.
This may be 7 minutes away.
Yeah.
We're close, and they're going to build an NBA stadium close to that one too.
So real estate is going to be booming here.
Yeah, well, it's attracting more jobs, so it's attracting more demand. So it's going to be bringing up the price. So this area is in the middle of that. Most of the headquarters for all the big casinos are here in the Southwest, very close to here. Like where the president, where the CEO's offices of the casinos, they're just over here or close by. Dito yung offices nila.
Oh, offices.
Yeah, so they live here. They operate in the casinos, but this is where they do their meetings. Now I'm thinking this on the first floor might not be a bedroom. We'll see. If you check. Okay, 3 beds. Okay, so it's a bedroom. This might not be the master. This might just be a guest suite.
Yeah. So you probably want to take the masters. Yeah, go ahead.
Ay, wait. Ganun ko na ulit to.
This one is a men's master.
Yep. Put in a bar over there. So that's an option. So put in a wine fridge. So is this the garage? Oh, okay. This is nice because they show you. Yes, this is the two-car garage. But this is like they showcase what's going on in their homes. So it comes in with the standard insulation. Comes in with standard low E windows. Blown insulation on the attic. These are the standard, and you can even upgrade to more expensive insulation if you want to.
So they really like show it to you, okay, what
Yes. Yes.
made of.
So, for example, here, they don't put insulation on the garage on this side because there's no living space on that area. You can choose to add insulation. That way your garage is more insulated. I highly recommend you upgrade your insulation because this is Las Vegas.
Correct.
Gets really hot during the summer and helps your AC.
Consumption.
This is the base for the stucco. They also put a lot of Tyvek coating or Typar. This is what keeps the house waterproof. It's also insulation. Similar
It's
to
a special type of tape.
Yeah, no, it's
What is this?
it's more like it's kind of like a tape, but that's what they apply on the windows and also all around the walls.
To enclose it?
Yeah, and make it waterproof. Yeah, and then this one's is placed so that it directs water going down. Thing with the stucco is it cannot tolerate large amount of rain, which is great because we're in Las Vegas where it doesn't really rain that much. Yeah. So these are their standard. It comes with the tankless water heater. It comes with the loop standard. Not all builders are having that as standard. Richmond does not have a water softener loop.
Yeah.
Standard. And these are the warranties. 1 year coverage, they call it bumper to bumper coverage, so everything that happens, yes, that's not your fault, they cover it. I typically recommend they do a home inspection after they close and before on their 10th month, before their 1 year is. So if they uncover stuff, the builder fixes it. We do have a lot of inspectors who could do that. 2 year for plumbing, electrical, HVAC, other mechanical systems, but also always recommended if you just bought your house, go ahead and go to the website of those appliances, including the AC, and register it so it extends the warranty.
Correct. Yeah.
5 years for water infiltration, internal links, 10-year coverage for the structure. So the walls, the foundation. This is the post-tension foundation. So these are post-tension. This is where they put the slabs. Now, if the house comes with let's say an office downstairs, and you want to convert it to a bedroom and a full bathroom, and they have the option to do that, it's best to do that early on. Because if you do that later on, it's going to be expensive, as if we're going to line up plumbing, we're going to have to cut the concrete to put in the plumbing lines. And if it's not a professional who did it, they cut that. It's going to be like a gunshot. And a lot of people died from, because the pressure on this cables is around 10 to 15,000 psi. So if you cut something like that, it's going to be like a gunshot. It's going to be like an explosion. It could hit the people on either side. So a lot of construction crews have, either died or got injured because of those. So that's why if you want to put in a bedroom downstairs, do it early on. Or what we do sometimes, we line it up upstairs, and that's a problem because what if it leaks? Then you have mold. So
Yeah. Oh, wow.
there you go.
Yeah, and then this one's the whole.
Yes, a lot of the builders here are Energy Star. A lot more efficient with how they build houses versus the older ones. Inspections, county inspects it.
Especially here, the weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's good too.
And they give you a chance to get orientated on your home before they put the drywall in. Sometimes before they even put the slab in, they introduce themselves. And then before they put the drywall in, and before the city inspector comes in. And then they orient you when the house is built before you close on the property. So typical build time is between 4 to 8 months.
So for these new homes, how much do you think this could rent for? Exactly same.
This house, this could probably go for between 3 to 4,000 a month for this house.
And then average in Las Vegas for a single detached.
For a single detached 3 beds, that's 1,800 a month. Average.
Okay, wow, it's a really good price.
Yeah. Now also, property taxes is about 1% of the purchase price for a new home. So okay, when you buy this house, let's say base price 474, and then you bought it for like 510. You put in some upgrades on there. The property tax is like $5,000 a month.
Yeah.
Sorry, $5,000 a year.
A year, yeah. It's kind of like the same as ours. Ours is, I believe, is 1.1.
Yeah. Now there's a cap. It can, if it's a primary home, it can only increase by up to 3% a year. If it's an investment property, it's up to 8% a year. If you buy an older home, let's say I have a property that was built in 1969, 4 bedrooms, 1,600 square foot with a pool, big lot. My property tax over there is still $870 a year because these are older homes.
So it's more.
It's less for older homes, more for brand new.
Oh, no. Yeah, because you said 800. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, funny thing is, yeah, so I bought that house for $310,000, right? But the property tax didn't increase. It stayed around 800. Yeah, it's still 800
because
a year.
It's an older homes.
Yeah. Now in California, it's gonna be 3,000 a year because it depends on how much it appraised for.
Yep.
Here, it looks like that's not happening. So.
No, in California it's actually 1.1 right now.
Yeah.
But it's 1.1. The tax is pretty. Property tax is not cheap.
They also have state taxes in California.
Correct.
Number one reason why they're moving here. So if you,
Wala dito, right?
Yeah, there's no state tax.
There's no state tax
yet. Who knows? So if you notice the padding of the carpet, it's also an upgrade. Kaya medyo soft siya.
Yeah. So maybe some of the shots, what do you think? If you don't mind, I'll probably, ayoko kasi ng cheesy. Like I'll show up, like one kind of like doing like this. What
Sure.
do you think?
No, we could do it. We could do the whole thing. So ngayon nag-explain lang ako, and then gawin ulit natin.
Okay.
Na,
I just don't want it like sobrang cheesy, but kind of.
Now, this might be standard. Itong veranda niya.
Oh yeah. It looks
Might
like
be.
it.